What's going on YouTube? Jerry's All American Carpet Cleaner here with another video for your viewing pleasure, man. We got quite a few on the books today. We actually just picked up a contract with a local company. They want us to be their primary carpet cleaner, so we're looking forward to that. The first one is a general cleaning. It's 4 rooms, smaller home. But the rest of them, I believe, are restorative cleanings, but as usual, you know we're gonna bring you along for the ride. We appreciate you watching these videos and stay tuned for the show.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Man, that's my first cousin. I don't. That's family.
Family. There you go, brother. There you go.
I can get the contract for Conrax all the way up, all the way around, just straight out. And you get you a list from where?
What cut up house right here?
Yeah.
I mean, they use every bit of it. I like
Every
that.
little inch,
Yeah.
you better not be no tall guy.
It's actually a daycare slash church, so we're going to be cleaning the daycare side. There's only about 3 rooms of carpet in it. However, there is some heavy soiling in one room in particular. Featuring a police chase. If you haven't already, like, share, subscribe.
Anything not coming up?
It's hard to tell.
Yeah.
That's coming out of it.
Yeah.